What can't the people of Pakistan make? With limited tools, they continue to prove something powerful. Creativity and hard work can turn rusty scrap into remarkable creations. Today, they're building a car axle from a discarded ship anchor chain. The work begins as a massive steel chain is unloaded from the back of a truck. Not with a modern crane, but pulled down manually using an old tractor that still runs strong. Heavy, absolutely, but their spirit is far heavier than the challenge itself. Once it hits the ground, the chain is cut into two large sections. These bulky pieces may look like junk, but soon, they'll become the spinning heart of a machine. The chain segments are placed into a coal furnace. Bright red flames roar as the temperature rises, transforming solid steel into glowing, malleable metal. At peak heat, the red-hot chunks are transferred to a powerful hydraulic press. Thud, each press strike reshapes the metal. From ship chain, to a stretched, solid beam, starting to resemble a car axle. Once the length and width are just right, they move on to the next stage, shaping it into a perfect cylinder. The heated steel is inserted into a circular mold to ensure it forms a precise round profile. But they're not done yet. The end of the axle is heated again, then pressed multiple times inside a specialized mold, forming the axle head, where wheel bolts will be mounted. Precision matters here, because this isn't just a piece of metal. It's the foundation of an entire vehicle's movement. Now, it's time for machines to take over. The axle is mounted on an automated lathe. They begin by machining the disc-shaped end. Bit by bit, layers of metal are shaved away. Then, excess material is cut off with a mechanical saw. But the job isn't done yet. They recheck the straightness carefully. One slight misalignment, and the axle won't function properly. So the disc end is laughed again. this time to reduce its thickness to match axle specifications. Next, they machine the axle's long body, shaping it to match the exact length and diameter required. Every section is carefully crafted, with patience and skill. Once the base form is ready, it's time to drill the bolt holes. Using a high-precision drill press, they create bolt holes in the axle head, perfectly aligned. Now comes the final stage. The axle body and tip are lapped again, to ensure a perfect fit for the wheel hub. And finally, they cut gear teeth into the axle tip using an automated machine, each tooth carefully carved, to connect seamlessly with the vehicle's drivetrain. And here it is, the final result of all that effort. A car axle, crafted from an old, discarded ship chain, reborn as a precision automotive component, ready to hit the road. From fire, force, and focus, a new strength is forged, because in the hands of Pakistan's skilled workers, no scrap metal is ever truly wasted.